All right, hey, what's going on, Freedomers? All right, so hopefully you can see this well. But all right, how to make your first $10,000 in momentum as far as Gemini season. So first you have to write the vision. So you have to believe in polarity, because Gemini has two faces, so they're two polarities. You have to. Which the vision is more of a Sag word, which is the opposite of Gemini. So Gemini rules Mercury. So you're gonna have to know what is the communication of your next level. That means every level that you go to has another language that you don't currently speak. Let me say it again. Every level that you go to, whether it be high, especially if you're going higher or lower, but really higher in this sense, has a different level of communication that you don't speak. You have to learn the communication style of how they speak. How do you need to think? The affirmation of Gemini's, I think. How do they think? And if your thinking does not align, you will experience the lower side of polarity, the poverty side of polarity when it comes to Gemini. Gemini also experiences family or close relatives. So who do you have to let go of in your close circle and family? That you have to let go of or act totally different with, to go to your next level. Who do you have to and family for me means frequency. So who do you now have to realign with to get to that next level? Because the people who've helped me the most are now considered family to me, and they're just because they act on a similar frequency, not because we are blood. So yeah, who do you need to disassociate from or get close to, and they're your new family, that you're going to the next level in your life, because they communicate in a certain way and they think on a certain level, which equals frequency. They talk, walk, body language, everything is, but they communicate totally different than how your relatives, because there's a difference between relatives and family. Relatives are people you have by bloodline, and you have to deal with them because they're your relative, they're your blood. That doesn't mean you have to deal with them every day, etc., etc. But you have them in your life because they are your blood relatives. Your family can be tied to the fact that they think and they communicate in your language, because they have a certain vision of where they're going. So the polarities can be totally different between relatives and family. So they're all connected. So in this Gemini season, you have to figure out what is the communication style of your next level. How do they think? Do I align? And how do I need to think now? And what family or relative do you need to distance yourself from or act different with to go to that next level?